So, out here cleaning up. Everybody say hi. Hi, everybody. Meow. That's right. Meow. Look. Want to say hi? Hi, lady. Hi. Meow. Lady's kind of cool. Ooh, this is kind of neat. Look at this. And you go from the just about 100 feet, you go from a bunch of cactus and shrubs and grass and ugly. And you come over to here, and you get into the, what do I call this? The tropical forest, it says. And you get these. And these are pretty cool. Purple. We got some yellow ones. Lots of them. I don't think it's some kind of fruit or anything. Look, I was trying to be multicolored. That means we got bees around here. That's good. Keep on coming. And now we're getting into some more reds. And some more purples. Look how pretty that one is. Man. This lighting's not the same. What y'all are seeing ain't really what I'm seeing. That's too bad. Yeah, we got a bunch of them out here. Wow. I'd like to, if any of y'all know what this is, man, that'd be very cool. Find out if it's just a weed. Here's some red. Pale red, but they're red. Well, I've been noticing the dogs always come home and they're purple or red. So imagine these give off a bunch of color if you smush them up. So, anyways, just thought I'd share some flowers with everybody. Look at that, yeah, it's kind of a cool looking purple color. And we got over here that the dogs are gonna do stuff. You're not a flower. Look, hi Oreo. Hi dude. Hi Nasty. My name is not Nasty. Yes it is. I changed your name. It is Nasty now. Liz. Oh man. Very, very cool. I'm not trucking too far back in there for everybody. Man. No, you don't eat flowers. I'm gonna let Bambi out here. She can eat flowers all she wants. Oh man, I'm gonna eat the flowers before Bambi does. Well then eat the flowers. Y'all aren't as pretty as these things. You know, you're gonna mess everything up. That's right, I'm gonna mess everything, tear all the flowers down. You don't get no flowers. Okay. There we go. That's some cool stuff. If I can stop shaking. Anyway. And that's that. I gotta go feed some animals. Maybe I'll give you all sunset tonight. It might be good, but I don't really see a cloud in the sky. We'll see y'all later. Bye.